Welcome to my UPSC Civil Service exam preparation again. Okay, this is the part 2 of slope development. As we know, we are talking about the geography mains in UPSC exam. Okay, this is the part 1, part 2 of slope development, which comes under geomorphology, and here we discuss about the various slope developmental model. Okay, the first model we are taking is Davis. Okay, the first model which we will take is Davis. Okay, in Davis concept, the main thing you have to remember is the slope development here is cyclic. It will have a cyclic slope development. Okay, it will undergo a sequential of stage change. Okay, in the youth stage, it will have one particular form of the slope, that is convex form. Okay, as over a period of time there will be erosion and it will change into mature stage. Over a period of time it will be converted into rectilinear form, and later in the older stage it will be converted into concave form. Okay, in all these process, the main thing is there is a progressive declination in the slope angle. Okay, there's a progressive declination in slope angle. Okay, so in the youth stage, suppose this is considered this as hill slope. Okay, in the youth stage, youth stage, what happens is, okay, there will be here from this is an hill. Suppose you take, okay, this is an water divide. Okay, here a stream flows. Okay, as the stream flows, the stream will have high velocity. The velocity of the stream will be very high, so the energy by it to carry the debris will be very high. So there will be valley deepening. See here, very high is there, so there will be valley deepening. When there will be valley deepening, the convex slope forms is formed. Okay, the valley deepening will happen and upslopes will be development and the convex slope forms is formed. Okay, over a period of time the rectilinear form will come. How? The stream will go down. Okay, here some more things will be there. Okay, suppose here two hill slopes are there. Okay, here the lateral erosion will happen in sideways. The lateral erosion dominates the vertical erosion, and these water divides, these are the water divides, right? Okay, suppose here there is a stream, this is a water divide, so the lateral erosion will have a down cutting of the water divides. So these water divides, what happens? Okay, when there is a lateral erosion, these portion will be eroded. Okay, so the water divide will be down cut and hence it will be converted into rectilinear form. Okay, rectilinear form. Okay, as we know, these are the various elements of a slope. Okay, next in the further stages, there will be further erosion, lateral erosion continues, and these water divides will be reduced into concave form. Concave. Okay, whose slope angle is less than 5 degree. Okay, now let's, okay, in this in Davis theory, there are three main concepts. Rounded convexity. Okay, the convexity is usually formed due to soil creep. Soil creep is nothing but the slow movement of the debris, soil debris. Okay, suppose this is a hill slope covered with an soil. The slow movement of this soil is called soil creep. Okay, due to soil creep, the topper crest portion will have convex part. Okay, this is the rounded convexity. Okay, these slope will have debris, okay, which can be transported by the transporting agent such as water. Okay, these debris are called as waste sheet. Waste sheet, here it will be mentioned. Waste sheet. Okay, I'll share my notes. Okay, so if the transporting agent's capacity is enough to the required energy to transport these waste sheets, that is the debris, then it is called as graded waste sheets. That is, suppose if the slope acts as a process to transport the debris downslide, if the slope angle is enough to transport the entire debris on it to downwards, okay, then it is called as graded waste sheet. Okay, so the main aspect in this Davis theory you have to remember is that is basically these three stages. Okay, in the convex youth stage, the hill slope will have very steep, and the debris which are accumulated are coarser means bit larger. Okay, over a period of time, when this is youth, okay, when this converted into mature stage, at older stage, the hill slope, the water divider will be reduced due to down cutting, okay, erosion. Okay, the debris will be soft, or it will be finer, and hence this is the Davis theory. Okay, that's it. I'll share my notes. Okay, you can view this. I'll upload it, or provide a link in my description to these notes. Okay, these are enough. I have studied the various links in the websites and the textbook by Savinder Singh, and made this video. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.